Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 14C, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me that is on the second page right over here. It's labeled as DND, short for Do Not Disturb. Once you see this, hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, scrolling down, you'll be able to customize it. So let me quickly find it. Oh, there we go. It's right here. You want to select the Do Not Disturb, and you have all the options right here that you can go over. Once you have tailored this to fit your needs, you can close this, find the toggle once more, and from now on you can just simply tap on it to toggle it on and off. And you do probably want to remember to turn it off, as by default it would just run indefinitely in the background. So just tap on it once more to turn it off. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.